In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Emirates Skywards miles after a flight. So if you've taken a flight but you forgot to add your Emirates number, then you may need to go and add to the miles once you finish the flight. Now to do this, we need to head over to the Emirates website, which is emirates.com, and then you can click on login in the top right hand side. You can then simply log in with your Emirates account. Now once you're logged in, click on loyalty at the top of the page and then click on claim miles. You can then scroll down and click on the link to claim miles. You can then scroll down the page and you'll see claim miles for an Emirates flight. So as you can see, you can actually claim the miles within 6 months of flying on Emirates. So if you forgot to put in your membership number, you'll basically have 6 months to go and fill in this information. So all you need to do is enter your ticket number, the booking reference, and also your passenger name as well. Once you've done this, you can go and press continue, and that's how to add Emirates miles after a flight.